Did you know 21st May is Endangered Species Day and 22nd May is the United Nations International Day for Biological Diversity? The theme this year is "We are part of the solution for nature."
Yes, it's a perfect time to share awareness of the need to protect all species and share some of our work in the WildTrack Specialist Group.
That's right, but there is so much work to be done. Species are disappearing thousands of times faster than baseline rates, and sometimes our task seems overwhelming. For example, there are only around 5,500 black rhino and 7,000 cheetah left in the world.
But if we approach conservation in a community-based and animal-friendly way, and we work together, there is hope. Our WildTrack Specialist Group is composed of more than 20 professional conservation biologists working across 5 continents to stem biodiversity loss. Using only non-invasive and cost-effective approaches, we are really making a difference across a range of endangered species.
That's true. Footprint identification technology, FIT, is very much conservation from the ground up by collecting data on species numbers and distribution from the footprints they leave behind. The great part of this is that we don't need to disturb the animals at all. We just photograph the footprints they leave behind.
Not only that, but our group works closely with local communities whose traditional ecological knowledge is so vital for sustainable conservation solutions.
That's truly democratized science. Everybody from professional biologists to local experts, hikers and ecotourists can collect footprints and contribute to our work.
Let's meet some members of the WildTrack Specialist Group and hear a little about their work.
Hello, I am Juarez Pesuti, or just Juca, and I am from the University of Pará, northern Brazil. Our studies in the Amazon are focused on wildlife biodiversity, and especially in community-based management and sustainable hunting in indigenous and traditional peoples' lands. We are studying wildlife ecology and monitoring wildlife biodiversity in partnership with senior experienced hunters and based on their deep knowledge and skills of animal tracks and signs. We are also collecting images of jaguar footprints for the development of the footprint identification technique, or FIT, which will allow the study of density distribution and living area of jaguars, among many other important aspects of jaguar ecology, based on the individual identification of jaguars by their footprints.
It's great to know that across 5 continents, members of the WildTrack Specialist Group are really helping conserve endangered species in such unique and creative ways.
But there is still a lot to do. Each day in South Africa, a rhino is slaughtered for their horn. We need your support to continue our work. Please consider making a donation to this campaign that will support these 4 projects.